Hi everyone, my name is Rose, and today's update. I think this is this is this the first update for the Stardew Valley project? I think it's the first one, but it could be the second. I don't know. The last month has been crazy, and like it's just flown by for me. So let's. This is a project I created, and Christina's doing it with me this year. I don't think. No one else is doing it, I think. I'll, do a Google search. And no one responded about my playlist question, so I'm just be putting these videos with the old videos on the playlist I created last year's. And I kind of prefer it that way, because then, people who are new to the project can also watch last year's if they want. And then it's, more videos kind of thing. And I like it. And I like keeping it all in, one spot, even if they're different years or whatever. So there's that. So let's get into my items, which I don't have a lot of progress to talk about, but yeah. So first product is for Pam, which is the Tough Cookie Lip Balm, which I have used. Oh yeah, this would be the first update then. 9 times. My goal is to use this 40 times, and a lot of those, I think at least half of them were just this last week. I really just started focusing in on this last week, because I had very low. I think I had 3 or 4 uses on it before this last week, and then I'm just okay, this is now to be a priority, and I'm gonna work on this. And this is to continue to be a priority for me this next month. I'm to super work on this, because I really want to get at least one item moved out by next month. So, we'll see if it's this one, or there's, there's 3 that I kind of have pretty good progress on. One of them is kind of a long shot, but, yeah, I think I could get this done, because it's a lip balm, I can apply it multiple times throughout the day, so, I could get the last 31 uses I need to, roll this out, but, yeah. So, I'm really focusing on that, and yeah, get that moved out. This is a nail polish for Haley, and it's in the shade Dollface. It's a Formula X, which I think was a Sephora brand. I don't think they're around anymore. I don't know. And I didn't use this once. I was gonna paint my nails today with it. I haven't gotten around to it. I don't know if I'm gonna get around to it today, because it's already yeah, so I haven't used this yet, but this is also going to be a main focus for me this next month. I'm going to focus on this one, and then I'm going to focus on the turquoise polish from my Beauty A to Z project, and those are my 2 main focus for the next month. I'm going to get as much progress as I can on those 2, so we'll see how much this moves. I mean, it is pretty small. It's only 4 milliliters. I don't know how big that is compared to other. But it's a mini, so it's and I made a line. I made a line yesterday, so I didn't move because but I finally made a line because I forgot to make a line for it before. Next is for Pierre, which is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Micellar Cleansing Water, which my new line is kind of crooked, but it's whatever. It went from there to there. So I think I used about a third of what is in there. From there to the bottom. I feel like I used about a third of it. So I think this is probably to be 2 more months. But I am to try to use it a little bit more this next month. See if I can get some more progress. Maybe do a lot of swatching and then use it to remove swatches, because that's basically what I use it for. I use it to or if I'm lip swatching and trying on a bunch of different lip colors, I use it, because on my face I feel this is kind of just a little too dry, and my spell waters are usually just attached to drying to remove my makeup every day, so I usually double cleanse. So this is swatching purposes only. I really love the Yes To. I don't know if they discontinued these, because for a while they were at TJ Maxx, so I think they discontinued. But I love these because they have I love the little pump dispenser. I might keep this bottle and purchase more micellar water in the future and just reuse this bottle or whatever. I don't know. I haven't decided if I want to do that. But yeah, I made good progress. It's probably going to be 2 more months till I finish this, but I'm getting good use on it. And I think it will be done in 2 months, maybe. So that's good. Next is for Jazz, which is this buxom lip gloss, which I made pretty good progress on. I'm wearing it today. It's the only thing I'm wearing today, but I did have lip balm underneath, so it's kind of a little more sheer than it usually is. But yeah, so I went from there to there, and that's not even progress. That's like I used it whenever I wanted to use it. I did move it from my like little drawer to up on top where I could just grab it out from the top. But like I usually do that with my project pen items. When I do that, when I like put something up in a project, I try to pull it within reach so I can like grab it really easy, and it makes me reach for it more. But yeah, this is not hard to use for me because the buxom lip glosses are like my favorite lip gloss formula I've tried so far. The Persona ones are really up there too. If you don't like plumping, the Persona ones are really nice. But this is like a plumping one. But yeah. So I think I used over half of what was there. So I think I could finish this off by next month. I'm gonna focus on the elf one more though. I'm gonna like really try to use this up. Really try to get the uses on this, I mean. And then if I finish this off, because either it will be done by next month or it will be really close to done. So there's that. So I really like this. So it's not a pain in the butt to use up, and it's really easy for me. So that was for Jazz. And last is for Sandy. And this I almost didn't touch. This is nabla skin glazing and Lola. I'm wearing it today, and I wore it for the intro, so I got 2 uses on it, and that's all. I've been really focused. I'm probably not going to get a lot of uses on this next month either, because I'm really trying to focus in on the blush that's in my Beauty A to Z right now before I switch to primers, because I'm almost done with this one primer, and then the next primer that I'm going to focus on doesn't really work that well with powders, so I kind of needed to not set anything and use creams only with that. But yeah, I mean, my goal is only 20 uses for this, so I think I could, if I really wanted to, just like take a month and just focus in on this. But I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet, and it will be like a while before I do that. Probably at least a month or 2. I am focused, so this one I'm hoping to get good progress on, and then like these 3 are gonna be my main kind of focus. Well, this is kind of take a backseat to this, but once this is gone, I'm probably gonna really focus in on this. So yeah, and that's everything. No new items moving in, no items moving out. Like, it's pretty boring. So thank you so much for watching this video. I feel like I got like something in my eye, like eyeshadow or something, like right there. And bye.